So the exercise tells me to modify the transformation in the previous exercise. So the people that has no ages in the age file is present in the output file with no age. Remember that you can see previous exercises and the solution for them in the file that is linked in the comment of the YouTube video. So we want that people in the previous exercise we had this solution that will show only the people that has ages in the ages file. So the output will be 3 people. We now want all the people that doesn't have any matching ages, we want them there without an age stated. So we still need the 2 inputs, so we cannot change that. We still need the text value output, so we cannot change that. The only thing we can change is the join. We are doing an inner join, so anything that doesn't match, it won't be present in the output. So we will remove this one and we'll use another join. Something more powerful. In this case, we'll use merge join that will allow me to do a little more. So let's try to use the merge join to solve this instead of the other join. Okay, here, and the output will be in the text file output as before. So now here we'll say that use the CSV file input as the first step, the second step the other one, and here instead of inner, that it was what we were using in the previous example, in the previous exercise that you can see in the link in the YouTube description, we'll use left outer join. For this you'll need to know some SQL, but basically left outer join will make prevail whatever you are having first as an input. In this case, CSV file input will prevail. So even if it doesn't have a match in the second file, we'll still have the row in the output. We'll use for joining the, let's put get key fields, and we'll remove this one and that one because we want to join by SSN. That was the previous exercise asked us to do, and there you go. This is the important part. For now we'll put just I understand and then we'll fix it. I want you to see what happens with this. It says the merge join algorithm needs the input to be sorted ascending on the specified key. If you don't sort the input, the output is not going to be correct, because how they program it is they use a merge sort. That's why it's called merge join. So that's why we need to make it sorted before. We are not going to make it sorted just to see what happens. We'll execute it. It will ask me to save. We'll put okay, there you go, and then test 9, and we'll see the output. We didn't put the name for the output, right? The name is out9. So let's go. Let's see what out9 is about. There you go. So you see the out9 is incorrect because Juan Perez does 35 and anyone else doesn't have any other ages. So we are missing 45 and 22. That's because the sign that the alert that we saw, we are omitting that. We need to sort the input before doing this. So what we want is to sort rows. We'll sort both the inputs. Just put it like this, sort rows, and we'll here sort SSN ascending through. Okay, the same with the other one. There you go. We'll sort it by SSN. There you go. We don't need this. There you go. Chooch. make it pretty. Now let's run it. It will ask me to save. We are saving, execute it. Let's see what happened now. We close it, we'll open it again. And now we have the correct output. We have 22, 45, 33, and the 2 that doesn't match, we have it in the output. You can see more exercises in the YouTube description, and you have the link there to the solutions and everything.